You think people have forgotten that? And before that, he used to back Vajpayee. You think people have forgotten that?
Party.
I mean, you know
how it can be a how can we politicize
Mr. Owaisi,
issues?
Mr. Owaisi, Mr. Owaisi,
we are not running a political party.
Mr. Owaisi, I hope this time you come to the debate.
Any of the political parties.
Mr. Owaisi, what is your advice?
Who is politicizing?
Mr. Owaisi, what is your advice, if any?
If we have,
what is your advice, if any, for Syed Tariq Bukhari? Should he have invited Nawaz Sharif? 1 minute. Let's hear from Mr. Owaisi. He's unnaturally quiet tonight.
Public.
Maybe he does not want to say anything he thinks.
Of Pakistan is concerned.
Arnab, if you allow me to say, I'll say.
You don't usually.
Because your audio system
you don't usually
was really
seek my permission, but go ahead.
I can no. Your audio system was messed up in Hyderabad studios. That's why I could not participate.
It's been fixed for the last 15 minutes. Thank you. Please continue.
No, it was not. It was just fixed 5 minutes ago. You must question your technicians over here.
Okay, so you're not deliberately keeping quiet. Fine. Point is taken.
No. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Now coming back to the debate.
Yeah, come back.
I hope that with such ferocity which Mr. Nalin Kohli is speaking, Mr. Nalin Kohli, I would like to bring to your notice that Jama Masjid is a Waqf property.
Oh, please, I don't want to get into that. You are trying to get out of the debate.
We will have a separate debate.
Problem is he does not want to get into the real debate.
That's a separate
problem is Mr. Owaisi does not want to get into the real debate. Mr. Owaisi does not want to get into the real debate.
Or do you have
Mr. Owaisi, I am asking. No, Mr. Owaisi. Mr. Owaisi does not want to address the issue.
I will not be allowed to be cowed down by Mr. Arnab Goswami or by Mr. Nalin Kohli.
Nobody is trying to cow you down. We are just trying to draw you into the debate.
No. You cannot cow me down by what you want me to say. Now
it's on YouTube.
Let's see if he comes.
Yeah, you can keep on watching it and increase its popularity. Now coming back to the debate, Mr. Nalin Kohli,
see, he does like it.
With the government of India, with the government of you can keep on watching it. The government of India, is it going to take suitable action to ensure that the Jama Masjid is run according to the
this is the problem. You don't have the guts to debate the issue. You don't have the guts to debate the issue, Mr.
cannot be called an imam. Mr. Ahmed Bukhari has been encouraged by all these political parties, BJP and Congress.
No, you see, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. No. Mr. Owaisi, I am accusing you. I am accusing you tonight. I am accusing you tonight, Mr. Owaisi. I am accusing Asaduddin Owaisi tonight of running away from the debate.
Of not giving me opportunity.
I am accusing you of running away from the debate.
I am accusing you.
And I am now going to quote what you said earlier.
No, you have to allow me to say.
You said
otherwise don't call me.
Mr. Owaisi, let me ask. You have to answer my question. You don't want to answer my question. So can I ask you a question? Do I have your permission to ask a question? Because if I remind you of what you used to say, then you'll be totally exposed tonight. On August, now let me complete my question, please. 5 times I ask you a question. Should he have called Nawaz Sharif? Should he have tried to snub Narendra Modi like that? You keep talking about whether the Waqf board, this, that. I mean, come to the subject. The Prime Minister of India is being insulted by trying to raise the Prime Minister of Pakistan on a pedestal. On August 20th, 2012, you, Asaduddin Owaisi, you said, quote, why this perception that the Muslims in India always look to or are swayed by Pakistan? To hell with Pakistan. To hell with Pakistan, you said. A Muslim in India has the right to be angry and protest as much as anybody else. Now, you have a person who is inviting Nawaz Sharif openly at the expense of Modi. He's contributing to the perception which you were critical of. And 5 times I asked the question and you outdodge it.
No.
And you said, let me remind you.
No.
What do you mean?
You want me to answer?
Yeah.
No, do you want me to answer?
I want you to answer straight.
With your questioning.
Straight.
So now, please.
Thank you.
Give me an opportunity.
Yes, I have been giving you the opportunity. Please take it.
I still hold that view. That is why we stayed back in India, because India is a country of nothing to do with Pakistan. Yes, Mr. Bukhari should not have invited the Prime Minister of Pakistan. they should not have entered into this domain of foreign affairs. That has nothing to do with it. What I have to say is that, what is this coronation? Who is
Again,
he?
you are
Don't
trying
accept
to
him as
move
an imam.
away. You
It
say
is
one
wrong.
line on it. Again,
It
you
is
want to move
no-
away. Again, Nalin
No,
Kohli, is he not
should
trying to
not-
move away Prem Shukla?
He should not have invited.
No, you are trying to
He
dodge
should
it.
not
I
have
want to draw you
invited.
into the subject.
He should not have
Ena,
invited. He should not have
I
invited.
remind you, I want to hear the Asaduddin
No,
Owaisi
I am
who said a
still
different
saying
language
that.
last year.
You don't
When
allow me
Narendra
to
Modi
complete.
becomes
That
Prime
is the
Minister, why
problem.
does your language change?
Arnab, no, Arnab, you are
I
being
would like to
very,
put a
we
question
are
in
being
front
very
of
partial
Mr.
over here.
Akbaruddin.
I am not. I am just asking you questions.
Complete what I have to say.
You know what you said on a TV show in Pakistan?
Of course.
Hamid Mir, one second. What? I'll tell you.
Of course, I still.
You know something. I want you. I'll remind you. Hamid Mir interviewed you, the famous Pakistani journalist, and you said in their TV show, you said, and I quote, "You don't worry about Indian Muslims." You said last year when the Congress was in power, "We have made our decision. We are going to stay in India." Right? You also said if you want to gain India's trust, make sure you complete the 2611 trial on time. 2611 trial drags on in Pakistan. No end in sight. The biggest traitor to that, Nawaz Sharif, is
Arnab,
being
allow
called
me
by
to
the Shahi
complete
Imam. Is
your-
that the issue? Or is the Waqf
Arnab,
board the issue? Is the insult to the Prime Minister an issue?
No.
Is the insult to the Prime Minister of India an issue?
Mr. Bukhari has no right to call any foreign dignitary.
It's
As
not.
far as in the
Has he
present
insulted
scenario,
Mr.
it
Modi
is
by
wrong.
doing so?
It
Has he
is-
insulted the people of
it is
India by
wrong.
doing so?
It is wrong for him
We
to
have all
invite.
the
I
right
don't
to
accept
invite any
Mr. Bukhari, whatever
foreign
he is. No, you
dignitary
don't have any right. What?
through the
No,
diplomatic
Jama
channel.
Masjid is not
We
your
have all
personal
the
fiefdom,
right
Mr. Bukhari.
to invite
It
any
is no. It is
dignitary
you have no right over there.
through
You
the
have no right
diplomatic
over there.
channel.
You are sitting over
It
there
is
as an
not
encroacher
that the
because
Prime Minister
various
of Pakistan
governments of BJP
will
and
receive the
Congress
invitation
have been
and-
using you.
from the-
You have been
and he
using
will
them,
take the next
and that
flight.
is why you are comfortably sitting
There
over
is a
there.
diplomatic
And
channel.
you want to
There
give
is
a
a
message.
diplomatic channel.
What
right
diplomatic
is it
channel?
about
What
Indian
diplomatic
Muslims?
channel?
You have no right to talk about Indian Muslims. After Gujarat carnage, didn't you have any iota of humanity? Why did you support Vajpayee? You talk about
now we are
Gujarat
back
now.
to the Gujarat
Shame
carnage.
on you. You should not have talked about
Mr.
Gujarat.
Owaisi,
Why
I
did you
was
support
wondering, this
Vajpayee
was
then?
sounding too strange for me.
Why did you support
To expect you to
Vajpayee
come out
then?
with an
It is
unequivocal
wrong.
support
Mr.
for the Prime
Bukhari
Minister
should
of
take
India.
back the
As a member of
invitation
Parliament,
extended
you have
to
also
Mr.
sworn by
Nawaz
the
Sharif.
Constitution, haven't you? And everyone from your party also swears by the Constitution, so you have a selective liking of the Constitution of India, I see.
No, I don't have a selective liking. I start reading Constitution from the
Well,
Constant
then are you a
Assembly
court of
debates.
law to sit here and
yes,
start giving pronouncements?
Yes. No, I know.
Have we heard your same comments about every right that has taken place in other parts of the country? Including your beloved
from
city.
1998 to 2004, it was your party who
What
has
from
used
98?
this
I'll give you the
Mr.
history of
Bukhari
rights in
for
India
your
from
political
1947.
opportunism, for your
I'm
for
sorry,
your
Mr.
political
Owaisi,
pleasures.
unlike you, I don't
should
believe in
stop
rhetoric,
using
even I
them.
do my homework.
You should
Would you
stop
like to
using
discuss
them.
the history of rights in
Using
India?
these
Would you
people.
like to discuss the history
Stop
of rights in
using these
Uttar Pradesh?
people.
In
The
Bihar?
day you stop
And would you like to
using these
discuss it in
people,
your
we
city
will not
and how your
such
political
scenarios
graph has
over
grown
here.
on rights?
You
Don't
should
do that,
not
Mr. Owaisi.
Use such people
Your rhetoric
who have
can be
no
in your political
relevance,
speeches.
who have no iota of respect.
Leave that,
in the
Mr.
Muslim
Owaisi. You and
community.
Mr.
It is
Bukhari
because of
seem
your
to have attacked
political patronage
because you are more out
from
there to
6
play a
years.
double game as
Because
Mr.
of
Bukhari is
Congress
playing today.
patronage. These people are liability to the Muslim people of India.
Again, not
These are
addressing the issue.
liability.
Again,
Mr.
not
Bukhari.
addressing the
Well, I mean, wait a
No.
minute. So
Again,
let's
not
talk about
addressing
you.
the issue,
What's your
Asaduddin
patronage
Owaisi.
that makes you
Extend
feel
the
shy
invitation,
about accepting
extend-
that-
No, again, not addressing the issue.
Immediately.
You see, today Asaduddin Owaisi is looking so strange. Asaduddin Owaisi, in such a desperate manner, you are avoiding the subject. You are only interested in talking about whether Bukhari has the legitimacy or not to represent Indian Muslims. Well, let me tell you the sad fact. Neither do you represent Indian Muslims, Mr. Owaisi, nor does
Exactly.
Mr. Bukhari. You want to and he wants to.
You're right.
You
I'm
want
just
to
a
and he
servant.
wants to.
I
Okay,
am
so
just
that
a
issue is settled.
servant. I'm not an imam. I am not an imam of Muslims. I am a servant.
You
of
are a
Indian
politician
Muslims.
and
I
you
feel
do
proud
the
in
politics
that.
of
I am a
polarization
soldier
and
fighting
religious
for the
hate.
cause of the Muslims.
Even
That is
even
why
an
it is.
imam
I
is
am not
also
an
a
imam.
servant of the
I'm not a
community.
leader. I don't want to be
Mr.
a
Asad,
leader.
Well, Mr.
I would
even an
like
imam
to
is
be
also a servant of
my
the
life.
Keep your politics on one side, keep the nation
He's
first.
using this to guide
Mr.
You don't do
Owaisi,
the
keep
politics
at
of
every
Indians.
point of
You don't
life.
do
Keep
the
your
politics
nation
of what the
first.
Constitution
At
of
every
India
turn of
desires.
life.
Keep
you
your-
said you do the politics of Muslims. So I mean, are you trying to say that the Constitution of India doesn't matter for you? That you would only go out there to serve your constituents if they were Muslims? Would you say that you would not serve a constituent who was an Indian?
Constitution. Don't you know Article 30,
Of
Mr.
course,
Narendra Modi?
every Indian
Don't you
is,
know Article
but you just
29?
define them
Don't you
and
know
would
right
try
of
to project
equality?
that your
Don't you read
entire focus is
Constitution?
only on religion.
Read the
And then you
Constitution.
say you are not an
Ignorant
imam.
people
Make
like
up your
you
mind,
do
Mr.
not know
Owaisi.
Constitution.
The Constitution is for
Article 30,
Indians. And
Article
Indians are
21,
first
Article
Indians.
29,
They are first human
Article
beings.
30.
Then they are
you saying
Indians.
that
Then they may be in any
You
way
know what?
a member of
You know,
any
it's-
religion or
you-
community,
you need the whole
caste or
constitution
whatever.
to answer the
So
question.
therefore, the
Mr.
Constitution
Kohli,
and
you are
the
an ignorant
Constitution
man,
envisages
The question is only this. The question is only this. The question is only this. 1 second. Mr. Owaisi, 1 minute. There are other panelists as well.
To another place.
One question, just 1 point. No, 1 second. I'm going to Sunil Alag as well, but I need to make one simple point. What are we talking about tonight? We are talking about tonight that this country is ashamed to have Indians who pawn their national self-respect at the altar of a dysfunctional and weak Pakistani Prime Minister. And in the process of doing so, do not hesitate to demean the office of the Prime Minister of India and the Indian electorate. And it is shameful that there are such Indians. Sunil Alag is coming to the debate.
As per your mind.
I am
You can't
saying this, you
interpret it
cannot do
as per
this.
Your mind, Mr.
You know,
I totally
as far as-
disagree with you. I totally disagree.
I think the
This
question
who
is
and
not
why this is
the
so
question
much
is
who
not
and why
whether you are a
Shahi
Muslim or a
Imam
Hindu or a
invited,
Christian.
the
Today the
Prime Minister of
debate is,
Pakistan.
as a
And he has not
self-respecting
invited the
Indian,
Prime Minister of
when the
India.
Prime Minister
Does
of your
BJP
country is
want Shahi
insulted,
Imam to invite
what
the
do you
Prime
want
Minister?
to say? Whether you like him as a person or not is irrelevant. The Prime Minister of India is being insulted. I am telling you, Nawaz Sharif will not come. You can invite him. He will not come for this invitation. If he's got any sense in his head, he will not come. No self-respecting Indian will even go to this function, no, regardless of what political party you come from. And today I heard the Congress talk about, well, you can call anyone you like. I blame the Congress. When he was the chief minister and he was not allowed to go to America, they should have fought for the position of the chief minister of a state. We are Indians first. Let us discuss today, as an Indian, as a self-respecting Indian, what do you think should be done as far as Mr. Bukhari is concerned? That's the question, and that's the answer. Mine is very clear. Anyone who goes there is not a self-respecting Indian. Full stop. Now you can carry on
tomorrow
with your debate.
Tomorrow you'll say Dawood Ibrahim is my friend. So I am going to call Dawood Ibrahim. You'll try and make those points. Tomorrow, and you are the same people who praised Osama bin Laden earlier. Think about it. How much more will you demean your own country for your terrible, low-level political ambitions?
You can't compare Mr. Nawaz
By
Sharif
Mr. Bukhari, try and win. If you want to become a politician, become a full-time politician. If you want to be a religious leader, be a religious leader. Mr. Bukhari, आपको मैं सीधी तरह से बोल रहा हूँ, आपको नेता बनना है, नेता बनिए. आपको नेता बनना है, नेता बनिए. आपको शाही इमाम बनना है, शाही इमाम बनिए. मगर ये समझ लीजिए, आधी शाही इमाम, आधी politician. This kind of ridiculous low-level politics has to stop in this country. Enough is enough. Do you think the Shahi Imam should apologize tonight, or at least his brother should apologize tonight? Now 1 second, माफी मांगनी चाहिए. आपको क्या लगता है?
देखिए शाही इमाम का जो इंस्टीट्यूशन एक बना दिया है, अचानक मुसलमानों का नेता बना दिया है. 26 जनवरी 1993 को भी इनके वालिद अब्दुल्ला बुखारी ने भी तिरंगे का जो है अपमान कर दिया और कहा कि हम तिरंगा नहीं फहराएंगे, तिरंगे को जलाने तक पर आमादा हुए. फिर भी उनका विरोध करने के लिए ओवैसी जी तैयार नहीं होते. संकट यहाँ आकर खड़ा होता है कि सेकुलरिज्म जो है वो एकांगी हो जाता है, एक तरफा हो जाता है. आप जब भारत के प्रधानमंत्री का अपमान करने पर आमादा हैं तो हमको ओवैसी जी को उठकर खड़ा होना चाहिए और कहना चाहिए ये कौम का काम नहीं है, ये कौम के खिलाफ काम है. इस पर ओवैसी जी खड़े नहीं होते. संकट को कितना है
आपके किसी बात का. आप जो मुंह आया बक देते, आपके पास कोई ऑथेंटिसिटी है किसी चीज की?
अरे कि ये ऑथेंटिसिटी, ये रिकॉर्ड है, भेज देता हूं आपको, एफआईआर नंबर भेज देता हूं, चार्जशीट भेज देता हूं.
मैंने बचपन से अपने वालिद के साथ कदम
26 जनवरी 1993 को तिरंगा न फहराया जाए, काले झंडे फहराए जाए मुसलमानों के घरों पर,
उससे
ये
ज्यादा
आपके शाही इमाम का फतवा था.
अगर एक
शाही इमाम इस तरह की फतवाबाजियां करने के लिए कुख्यात रहे.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
और अब जो है आप जो है ये हरकतें कर रहे हैं, ये ठीक नहीं है. और हमारा सिर्फ इतना ही, इतनी आपत्ति है कि आप जो है आपका विरोध
patriotic person.
मुस्लिम
जितने लोग
उल्मा
बैठे
जो
हैं,
है
including Mr.
ये क्यों
Nawaz
बर्दाश्त
Sharif
कर रहा
I am the
है? मुझे
most
मुस्लिम उल्मा
patriotic
पर तरस आ रही
person. We
है।
have
आप तो
chosen
ठीक
to be
है,
Indians
आप तो अपना
and
उल्लू
we
सीधा
remain
कर रहे हैं,
Indians.
आप अपना
शुक्ला जी,
उल्लू
आप तो
सीधा
अपनी
कर रहे हैं।
बात रहने दीजिए,
लेकिन
आपको तो
मुस्लिम
2
उल्मा
मिनट
क्यों
में सिर्फ
चुप है?
आग लगाने के
मुझे
अलावा कुछ
ताज्जुब
नहीं
उस पर
है। आप इस वक्त साइड लाइन हो चुके हैं, आप
मुझे
सियासी
ताज्जुब
तौर पे
इस
बहुत
बात पर है
परेशान है,
कि
आपका
मुस्लिम
दिमागी
उल्मा
तवाजुन
चुप
भी
क्यों
ठीक
है?
नहीं है। आप महाराष्ट्र में देखिए कि आपको
ओवैसी
लड्डू
साहब,
मिल रहे हैं या नहीं मिल रहे हैं, या साइड में बैठा दिया जाएगा।
और हक
आप
की बात
छोड़िए इस
करें।
बहस को रहने दीजिए।
Last
शुक्ला साहब,
question.
इस बहस को रहने दीजिए।
Last
आप
question.
अपना देखिए कि आपको लड्डू
Mr.
मिलेंगे नहीं
Bukhari.
मिलेंगे, या जमीन पे बैठा दिया
Mr.
जाएगा।
लड्डू चिंता न करें
Mr.
आप।
Bukhari, I want
कल का दिन आपके लिए बहुत
I
इंपॉर्टेंट है
want
कि
to say one thing.
आप नीचे
I want to say
He
one
is taking the debate
Mr.
somewhere else.
Bukhari, 1 minute. Don't get provoked.
How can he say that we have given the fatwa? Even my father was not in Mufti.
He said it, you've rebutted it,
Well,
over.
he-
Let's move on. 1 second. My question
मुफ्ती फतवा दे सकता है।
Fine,
Father
one
was
minute,
not in
one-
Mufti
one-
और किसी भी
I know you-
एंटी
you're
एक
not-
स्टेटमेंट
you're
आप
not
दिखा
authorized to
दिए।
issue fatwa.
उन्होंने मुसलमानों के
That
ऊपर
the
होने
word
वाले
fatwa
जुल्म के
was-
खिलाफ हुकूमत
No,
के
I
खिलाफ
feel,
आवाज उठाई।
I feel tonight the Congress party, the one of the reasons the Congress party, I want to say one thing about the Congress party. 1 second.
उससे मुझे कोई
I disagree with a lot of things on with Asaduddin Owaisi. I have accused him of a lot of things, but at least he's come on the debate. The Congress party has escaped the debate tonight. The Congress party has run away from the debate tonight. And I think that escapist attitude of the Congress party, that by avoiding this subject, maybe we'll get some votes, is terrible, because the Congress party should learn to put nation first on these issues. Unfortunate that the Congress party does not have the guts to come out and speak on this subject. My last question is to Mr. Bukhari. एक मिनट सर, सवाल ले लीजिए.
You should appreciate
Mr. Bukhari,
We have no
Mr. Bukhari,
intentions at all.
Mr. Bukhari, listen to me. Mr. Bukhari, listen to me.
Yeah.
Listen to me. What would you or your brother say
Please, Arnab.
to the family of the 13-year-old girl who the Pakistani army killed a few weeks back? How would you justify your invitation to Nawaz Sharif if you were to meet the family of the 13-year-old girl? 13 साल की लड़की, उसको इस तरह से बेरहमी से मारा पाकिस्तान के फोर्सेस ने. वो 13 साल की लड़की के फैमिली मेंबर्स को आप क्या कहते हैं? आप क्या, किस तरह के मेडल देने के लिए आप नवाज शरीफ को इधर बुला रहे हैं? आप उनको जो इतना रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, आपने उनके फैमिली को क्या कहेंगे?
मैं आ रहा हूं इस बात पे.
आइए,
मैं आ रहा हूं उस पे.
आइए.
नवाज शरीफ साहब के साथ उस वक्त यही प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे. यही प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे जब वाजपेयी जी बस से लाहौर गए थे.
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा, आप 13 साल की लड़की,
दरवाजा खोलने की
मिस्टर अलग, इज ही आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन?
मैं उसी का जवाब दे रहा हूं.
नहीं दे रहे.
क्या तब
No, he's not answer the question. That's the problem. I think this debate must go beyond politics and let's start talking as Indians. Let us talk as Indians.
हिंदुस्तान का
And let's go beyond politics, beyond Muslims, beyond everything.
अरे एक हिंदू
Nalin Kohli, is he answering the question?
Nawaz Sharif.
Asaduddin Owaisi, is he answering the question? Nalin Kohli first. Nalin Kohli. Nalin Kohli.
FIR and send it to them
वाजपेयी जी गए थे
because it was being
पाकिस्तान.
vociferously being denied. Since everything can be self-delusional in their debate.
आप ये
so
कहिए
let's
कि
go by that.
वाजपेयी
That
जी
is
का
a
जो
fact too.
स्टेप था वो गलत था. जो नरेंद्र मोदी ने
Don't do
नवाज
this again.
शरीफ साहब को बुलाया वो गलत
Don't
था.
do this again.
अरे छोड़िए, आपसे कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए? आप पहली बात तो ये बताइए, जो सारा सवाल सब लोग पूछ रहे हैं, मुसलमान
आपसे
भाई
भी
भी
नहीं
पूछ रहे
चाहिए,
हैं,
आपसे
चाहिए
भी नहीं
शब्द कहाँ
चाहिए
से
कोई
आया
सर्टिफिकेट हमें.
और कॉरोनेशन कैसे हो रहा है आपका? मुझे जरा इतना तो समझा दीजिए कि अब धर्म के आधार पे हो रहा है या संविधान के आधार पे? मुझे तो दोनों में ये दिखता नहीं है तर्क कि आपका कॉरोनेशन कैसे हो रहा है, जैसे कोई आप लोग एक नया सल्तनत बना रहे हैं. कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप?
संविधान
उसके
के
ऊपर
आधार
भारत
पे
के
भी ठीक हो रहा
प्रधानमंत्री
है
का वजीफा
और
उठाते
religious
हैं,
angle से
फिर
भी
उसके
बिल्कुल
बाद
ठीक
आप
हो
जो
रहा
है
है.
No, we are not a monarchy.
राजनीति करने तो वोट के
No,
लिए
we are not a monarchy.
कम से कम इस देश में ऐसे लोग हैं जिनमें गट्स हैं जो
Why are
राजनीति
you
कर सकते
debating so much
हैं.
on
आप
the
राजनीति
issue
भी करना
that we have
चाहते
invited
हैं
the
और
Prime
साथ में
Minister
फिर बड़ा
of
ज्ञान बांटना
Pakistan?
चाहते हैं. ऐसे तो
Do you
देश
want us
चलेगा
to
नहीं ना.
invite Mr. Narendra Modi?
संविधान में आपकी
Do you
मान्यता
want us
है
to
या
invite
नहीं
Narendra-
No, we don't want you to invite Nawaz Sharif. Simple.
संविधान में है तो
Do
प्रधानमंत्री
you want us to invite Narendra Modi? Do you want us to invite Narendra Modi?
To invite Narendra Modi.
Do you want us to invite
The
Narendra
problem is
Modi?
with your invitation to Nawaz Sharif. Why don't you withdraw your this and apologize to the nation? The whole matter will end.
Do you want us to invite Narendra Modi as well? Does BJP want us to invite Narendra Modi as well?
भारत से
Be clear on that. Be clear on that. Then why are you debating? Why are you debating?
You know that you go One
ये
second.
भारत की
One
बात है,
second.
this is about
You know
the
that you
Prime Minister of India.
that
Why
that
are you debating
that
that?
you are
Constitution of
willing
India.
that you are willing that you are willing
Do you-
to
does
one
BJP
minute,
have
Mr. Bukhari. I've heard
Prime
enough.
Minister of India,
Mr. Bukhari,
Modi?
Mr. Bukhari, you trade your self-respect.
I have also
You
heard
one
enough
second,
about the
Mr.
Prime
Bukhari.
Minister.
I have
also
something to
heard
say to you.
enough.
You
I
are
have
free.
heard enough.
You are free to trade your self-respect.
No apology.
If you have no self-respect for
No
yourself,
defense.
Mr. Bukhari, listen to me.
Nothing. We have-
अगर आप अपनी बेइज्जती कराना चाहते हैं कीजिए, मगर देश की मत कीजिए और देश की बेइज्जती करने की आपको कोई अधिकार नहीं है. असदुद्दीन ओवैसी, last word to him, please, Mr. Owaisi.
I would sincerely feel and request, withdraw it.
Withdraw it.
Don't play with fire. You don't know what you're doing. For your narrow parochial popularity, withdraw it. You are not an imam. It is high time that you leave Jama Masjid and give it to the rightful people who will run it properly. You have misused it from last 50 years. If you contest a corporator election, you will lose your deposit from Jama Masjid.
Not-
You have no right to enter into domain of foreign
375
affairs.
years,
Don't
I
do
will
it.
correct you.
Don't do it. You are a
This
liability to
last
the Muslim
300 almost
of India
75
who
years,
have now
Mr.
moved on to politics of development, dignity and political representation. You have no say whatsoever. BJP and Congress have used you. You have been
don't have
badly
to learn lessons
exposed.
from
You
you,
don't
Mr.
even have an
Assaduddin. You
iota
don't have
of
to learn
respect the
lessons
Muslim
from you,
community.
unfortunately.
Mr. Bukhari, go back. Go back and sleep in your house. Leave the Jama Masjid. It is a pious place. I'll share a joke with you, Arnab Goswami. If Jahangir had known that the Mughal dynasty would have finished and this imamat would have outlived him, Jahangir would have become the imam of Jama Masjid. Now these people have exploited and used that pious place for their own vested political interests. It is high time that this shop of political exploitation in the garb of so imam. You are not my imam. My imam is Imam Hussain Ali. My imam is Abu Hanifa, Imam Shafi'i and Malik and Hanbal. You are just a political pawn for BJP and Congress. Go back and we don't require you. You are a liability to the Muslims and to the nation.
Take it back and apologize.
Incidentally,
I'm very
yes,
sorry
Nalin
to
Kohli,
say-
Nalin
the
Kohli.
Mr. Anna,
BJP,
I'm
the
very
Congress
sorry
who
to-
probably does it and the Samajwadi Party,
Sorry
Mr.
to
Owaisi.
say that these type of political persons will be invited in future in these type of debates. I'm sorry to say I'll not be attending that.
That I won't lose anything if you choose
Because
not to be in the
he has
debate.
his own political
That's all right.
vested interest.
No, I'm
He's
not.
running a political
No,
party.
Mr. Bukhari.
I have so
Mr.
many times
Bukhari,
said I am not a
Mr.
member
Bukhari,
of a
let me tell
political
you.
party. Neither I am
Let me
running a
tell you.
political party.
Mr. Bukhari, I'll.
Then why should we politicize the issues?
Okay, so can I say something to you? You see, Mr. Bukhari,
We
don't
have
mind
not
my
made it public.
saying it.
As
You know,
far
I
as the
don't
invitation
mince
to the
my
Prime
words.
Minister
I'll say
of
something to
Pakistan
you.
is concerned,
You will
Prime
not
Minister
like
of
it, but I'll
Pakistan
say
is
it to you, Mr.
concerned,
Bukhari.
we have not
You know,
made it
Mr.
public.
Bukhari,
It is
you're
the
not a
media who
religious
has made it
leader.
public.
You are not a religious leader. You're a politician.
Okay, I am not a religious
And you are a
leader.
political
There's no
pawn. Your brother is a political
I
pawn.
myself-
No
is not a
accountability.
religious
Does not contest any election. At the time of election, at the whoever is highest purchaser, they will sell their voice to them. And we have no relevance whatsoever. If that was the case, Mr.
As you have sell
Bukhari's
your
son-in-law
voice
would have won
in
from Uttar
Maharashtra,
Pradesh.
as you have sell your voice to the BJP,
You would have won in
as you have
your
sell
own
your voice to
son-in-law
the,
lost in Uttar
to
Pradesh.
BJP in Maharashtra.
Shoaib Iqbal is winning
As you have
continuously
sell your
from Jama
voice to
Masjid
BJP
area.
in Maharashtra.
It is high time you close your shop. We don't require
It's his
you,
destiny.
please. You are not
It's
an
his
imam.
destiny.
You are
It's his
not an
destiny.
imam. You don't know anything about religion. Go
How
and
he
read
has
about
won
fiqh. Go and read
How
about
he has
Sharia
won
and then
for-
talk to us.
who invent-
You have
who
been
invi-
illegally sitting
who-
over there because of the
introduced him?
patronage of BJP and
Who
Congress.
introduced him?
Because it
He
is
should
against
be.
that
We
Waqf
introduced
Act.
him.
You cannot even be there. How can you appoint your brother? How can you appoint his son? Under what Waqf Act? Under what rule? Under what section of the Central Waqf Act of 2013? It has no legal sanctity. You should not enter into the domain of foreign affairs. And at this particular point, you have given a handle to BJP before Delhi elections are going to be
No,
held.
but leave the politics aside. To do something illegal is one thing. To do something anti-national, unacceptable, I feel. Which is why I'm saying tonight the hashtag is anti-India invite. It's trending number 2 globally, worldwide tonight. Worldwide trending number 2, national trending number 1. And I think more and more people should talk about it, shouldn't they now? Let's talk about enough in this country of how much.
I think you should follow it and see which self-respecting Indian, as Mr.
Yes.
Alak said, wants to attend this so-called coronation ceremony.
And for how long will the Congress party become like ostriches hiding their heads in the sand, hoping that because Shahi Imam
Almost
supported them
each
politically
and every
before,
invitee
they will
will
not
attend
speak on the
this
issue now?
coronation ceremony.
The nation comes first. Please be clear about it.
can't say
Mr.
more than
Bukhari, go and tell your brother tonight that he should first learn, before he tries to be an emperor, he should first learn to be a good Indian. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.